TAGUM City. The vibrant hand-woven Musa fabric includes a variety of patterns that truly reflect the heritage of the province of Davao del Norte. In TAGUM City, the Musa fabric is woven by the Persons Deprived of Liberty in Davao del Norte Provincial Jail. This livelihood project has also been extended to the PDLs who obtained freedom from prison and are weaving in their individual homes at present. Our Musa advocates in TAGUM City wore this ethical fashion brand with an artisanal touch and so much pride as a true Dabaonon. A mother and daughter match reflects the vibrant colors of the rainbow, the beacons of hope around the world in this uncertain time. Musa fabric is the new infusion in your work wardrobe. Dressing smart and fashionable has never been easier in this new flair. Want a look that'll seamlessly take you from the office to after-work drinks? Nothing beats a day-to-night dress. The Musa Filipiniana blazer is structured and sophisticated enough to fit right in at work, but also stylish and sexy enough for Friday night cocktails. These multi-purpose designs can do it all. As a teenage girl, fashion is incredibly important. You have to choose your outfits for school, for heading out with your friends, potentially for a date, and for special family occasions. Musa fabric has a wide range of prints and patterns available to you. And it's a time where you really come to develop your own sense of style. The Musa scarf is a cozy wrapped accessory that decorates a lightweight design to your daily outfit for a refined, elegant flair while keeping your neck warm on a cold season. Two of our Philippine motocross champions hail from TAGUM City, Davao del Norte. KP10 and JP5, the Pineda brothers, wear the Musa sports jacket with pride. Indeed, Musa fabric can withstand the demands of sports fashion. In Europe, particularly in Amsterdam and Paris, people ride their bikes to work, wearing their trench coats and blazers. The Musa blazer and trench coats are the innovation of Dabaonon's creativity and works of art. Bringing this artisanal fashion in the European market is such a breakthrough. It's time for Davao del Norte to shine in the fashion arena. The Musa fabric designer Miss Joy Su believes that one day it will take the spotlight in the fashion runways of Asia, Europe, and the USA. These high fashion garments worn by the Musa advocates are aiming to give the indigenous women and the people deprived of liberty in Davao del Norte a voice to inspire the whole world. This autumn collection is a labor of sheer love and fierce passion of the Davao del Norte artisans. Musa fabric, proudly Davao del Norte, made in the Philippines.